How to recover Monopoly Go account. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. If you're struggling to get into your account and play Monopoly Go, then this is how you go about it. The first thing you want to do is go up to the top right hand side of the screen. There's three lines. You're going to tap on that. Now right over here, you're going to navigate all the way down to your settings. And once you're in your settings, you can see over here right at the bottom there is support and legal. So you want to go ahead now and you want to tap on customer service. Now once you're in the customer service tab, what will basically happen from here is you will be able to go ahead and read through articles to try and fix your problem. So from here you can go ahead and you can tap on how can I contact customer support, and we're going to tap on that. It's second from the top. And once you're in over here, you will see that if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there is a chat with us button, and you can tap on that. Basically what you're going to be doing over here is chatting with one of the members from their support team, and you can go ahead and explain what this situation is, and you can have your account recovered. Of course, you will have to supply some sort of verification to make sure that that is really you, and then your account can be recovered. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop us a like. I'll see you in another awesome video. Happy gaming.